Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change the level of the trays. So let's say you have a big, you have let's say bigger bottles here or bigger chips, so might not gonna fit in here. And all what you need to do is to move these trays a little bit down or up. It's up to you, depends on the product that you will have. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the security support bar, and then let's say I wanna adjust this tray number 2. I wanna bring it down 2 or 3 holes to the bottom side. So what I'm gonna do is, the first thing, I'm gonna unplug the back one. You see, this is the plug for this tray. You can see it. So I put my hand while the tray is in. I put my hand and I unplug it. So now it's unplugged. So you take the tray out. So how to take the tray out is you take it like this. So now it's out, and then lift it up a little bit and then down. So you see now the tray is out. So you put it aside. Now you can see there is this track and this one. So I have to unscrew them. So you see there is one screw here and one screw here. I have to take these ones off, and this one and this one. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now. You can use a drill or a screwdriver, it doesn't matter. The same thing with the other side. So now I have tuck the 2 screws from here and here. So now you're gonna hold this and pull it out, and it will come out. The same thing with this. You see, you try to push. Once you push it out, and then you slide it out, and it will come. So now as you see, there is a black marks here and here and here and here. So these black marks are the default height for all the trays. So if you ever think to put it back to normal, you just come back and follow the black marks. And what you're gonna do is you will have these ones. So let's say now I want to put it in a different spot, right? So you just line it. As you can see, you're gonna line it from the front and the back. Make sure they are on the same level. Once you put it in, you just push in, and you can see it went in. Now the second one will be the same. You just line it. Which 2 holes do you want to put it in? Let's say I want to put it on the same ones. Put the light on. So you see, you put the first one and the second one. Once you line it, you push it in. So now it go in. Now after you do that, you need to put the screws back. Same thing. It's very easy. It's better to use a magnetic screwdriver to make it easy. So now the other side, same thing. When you move it a little bit up or down, you're gonna put the screws in a new hole. So might be a little bit hard. So when you put the screws after you move it down, you will need to pressure and put it stronger. As you can see here, I am forcing it more because I want to make a new hole for it. So that's why. Now I have moved it, as you can see. I moved it only one hole down. So you can see now it's all in. All what I have to do now is to put the tray back in. You take the tray, you hold the wire somewhere here, and then you put the tray. It's like a drawer. You see, I lift it up a little bit, and then it goes in. So now it's in properly. You can see it's all the way in, and you have the plug. You have to plug it in its place. Now done. Let's see. Everything is good. And a plug. When you plug, you must pay attention to the plug. So you see the top one is for the top tray. The second one for the second tray that I'm working with. As you can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching.